Hello, MistTrack Investigators. Welcome to our Getting Started with MistTrack series. Today, we'll be going over the difference between an EOA and a contract account. An EOA, or an externally owned account, is an address controlled by its private key, while a contract account is controlled by their code. Both types of account provide the same functions, such as receiving or sending funds, NFTs, and triggering other smart contracts. However, there are a few limitations to contract accounts. They can't initiate actions on their own. They can only respond to transactions they receive, usually from EOA. To learn more about some of these features, be sure to check out our Getting Started on MistTrack playlist. We'll be posting content explaining these features and how to use them.